In this lesson, we are going to start to customize the text on the apps page to make the app look more like an event management app. To edit the text, first select the heading element here by clicking on it. After selecting the heading element, double-click on the text to enter text edit mode. Once in text edit mode, delete the current text using the delete key on your computer. Finally, use your keyboard to type in the words upcoming events. Next, let's start to add some upcoming events to the table here. To do this, double-click on the text in the table and then update the text. For example, I can update the title of the columns in my table. I can relabel the first column to event name. This column will be used to store the event names. I can then update the second column to event by. This column will be used to describe who is running the event. And finally, I can update the last column to event starting at. This column will be used to let people know the time and date when the event is starting. I can add events below the titles in the same way. For example, I can add events such as Startup App Launch Program. This event will be run by one of our Dittofi experts. And finally, I can give the event an event starting at date of November 11th at 11 a.m. These are just examples of the data that can be displayed. I can add any number of additional rows or columns in order to show additional events. Pause the video now and try updating the text on your version of this event management app.